Would you like to make Gobi Manchurian the quick and easy way with minimum ingredients? So here we have not added corn flour, chili sauce or spring onions, without which we have made this Gobi Manchurian. So let's see how to do it. Hello and welcome to another episode of Travel Chef. And today we are going to make some Manchurian. And it's a lovely cold weather, as you see. There's a lot of mist and fog in Bangalore at this time. So we wanted to cook something spicy and hot. And the best thing is Manchurian for a good climate. So we have made this dish which is around 8 minutes. And it is a quick and easy dish too. So let's see how is it made. So come on with us. Gobi Manchurian, the first step is to take 500 grams of cauliflower that we have washed and kept aside. Next we add 1 teaspoon of salt for taste. Next we add 1 teaspoon of Kashmiri chili powder. Next we add half teaspoon of pepper. Next we mix all these ingredients together to ensure that the masalas stick onto the gopi or the cauliflower. The next step is to add 5 to 6 teaspoons of rice flour. See, rice flour is a thickening agent and similar to corn flour. Usually people add corn flour. Since we didn't have corn flour, we are adding rice flour. So in this we add 5 to 6 teaspoons of rice flour. The next is to add 2 to 3 teaspoons of flour or maida. So we have added these 3 teaspoons of maida. We need to mix all these ingredients along with the cauliflower. Next we add little water, at least 2 to 3 teaspoons of water, just to ensure that all the maida and rice flour mixes along with the cauliflower florets. So now we mix all these ingredients together. Now we're mixing the water along with the rest of the ingredients so that all the masalas stick along with the cauliflower florets. So that all the nooks and crevices of this cauliflower too gets the coating. Now we have marinated the cauliflower florets and the next step is to fry them. So for this we will be proceeding with the next step. To fry our cauliflower florets, we need to switch on a stove, light a stove, take a clean pan. So pour sufficient oil for deep frying the cauliflower florets. Now oil is hot enough. The next step is to place all these cauliflower florets that is coated with the ingredients into the frying pan. Now we have started placing our cauliflower florets into the pan, and we should ensure that they are spaced out a bit for them to fry easily. And this needs to be done on low flame or medium flame. Now we fry our florets till they are golden color before taking it off the stove. Ideally at 2 to 3 minutes frying would do it. Now it is golden brown in color. Next we need to place it onto a tissue paper to suck up all the excess oil. In fact we are frying this cauliflower florets in 2 batches because it's around 500 grams of cauliflower. Now a final batch of cauliflower florets have been fried and they're golden color. Next we need to take them off the stove. So these are the cauliflower florets that we have fried right now. And let's move to the next step. Now we have removed the excess oil from the pan. Next we need to add, now we are pouring around 2 to 3 tablespoons of oil. This is the cooking oil that we have used. Now once the oil is hot, we need to add 1 pod of garlic that we have chopped finely, ½ inch ginger that we have chopped finely. Now we need to stir these ingredients together. This adds flavor to our Gobi Manchurian. Next we add 3 green chilies that we have chopped. Medium size onions that we have chopped also. All these ingredients of ginger, garlic, green chili and onions, we need to stir them together. We need to continuously cook these vegetables on high flame. Also, there is an option of adding spring onions too, but we have not done it in this video. Next we are adding 1 teaspoon of chili powder. This is ordinary. Next we have added 1 teaspoon of Kashmiri chili powder, and this is done instead of chili sauce. So this would be a better alternative. Next we are adding ketchup. Just to add to the flavor to the Gobi Manchurian. We have added 3 tablespoons of ketchup or tomato sauce. Mix all these 3 ingredients together. Next we add 2 tablespoons of soya sauce. This too we mix up with the remaining ingredients. This is to give the bright red flavor for the Gobi Manchurian. We add 1 tablespoon of vinegar. Once again mix all these ingredients together. Next we add little water. Once again mix these ingredients. Now the final step is to add the fried cauliflower florets. Next we need to mix all the gravy as well as with the cauliflower florets. Mix them all together. Ensure that the masalas or the gravy sticks along to every nook and corner of the cauliflower floret. And this is all done on high flame. Now we switch off our stove and a Gobi Manchurian is ready to be served. So we have done this Gobi Manchurian with minimum ingredients. We hope you liked watching our videos and we request you to like, share and comment on them. If you found our video really useful as well as informative, in case you would like to try this Manchurian, please do so. And please, if it's come out very nicely, the same way how we showed it, you have followed the instructions, please let us know in the comment section below. This will really help us to improve our channel and also will give us encouragement to create newer recipes and better content. Until the next video, stay safe, see you soon, bye bye, and please don't forget to subscribe to our channel too. Bye.